This video was brought to you by Elbilmek, AWD, Stormberg, Kempower and Bilkomponenter. Yo, what's up? This is Zeekr 001, and in this video I'm gonna find out how much space we have by putting in banana boxes. You know, this is the Polestar 4's brother from another mother. They both come from Geely, but the Polestar 4 has this weird solution where there's no back window. Here we have a conventional back window. So does it mean that we have more space here versus the Polestar 4? Or what about versus other competitors like the ID7 or even Model S, right? Okay, now let's see, do we have a Frunk? Oh, there is a Frunk, but it's not that big, so I cannot really see that. We cannot fit the banana box there, but at least we can fit some charging cables there. Yeah, that's nice. Wait, how did I pack it to get it back in again? Like this, kind of, right? And then we can at least close there, and then look at the nice back. Okay, do we have any kick sensor here? I don't remember, but here's the motorized lift gate, and then voila, it has a quite spacious trunk. We can take out this, free up more space, and then here we have a lid that can be adjusted up like this, or in a lower position like this, or we could just take it completely out, which we'll do in this test, because this 1 centimeter extra might mean another banana box. Oh, that's a subwoofer. Here we can lower the suspension in the back. Ooh, nice. Here we can fold the seats. We have proper securing hooks here and there in all corners. We have anhangekopplung, fully automated. Then press it again. And then 12-volt outlet here. Okay, but can we free up more space? Oh, let me check the front seat. As in the back here we have this middle armrest thingy that we can take down, and then we have button here to recline or take the seat more upward. So I'm going to adjust it more upward, but there is no forward. Okay, no forward or backward position. Just let me see, that was the most upward position, which is still, it's not church bench, it's actually very comfortable still. And then if you take it all the way in the recline position, show you, it's here, okay. But we're gonna take it all the way up, and I can also do it on the other side. Now you can see the gap there, it opens up for slightly more space in the trunk. Well, round one in the trunk, Polestar 4 could take 7 boxes. Here I feel like we can take more. Let's see how many. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That is a lot better than Polestar 4. And also 9 is actually really good compared to many SUVs. Yeah, huh? We don't need SUVs, we need Zeekr 001. Now let's fold the seats, which I can just do like this. And then try again. Okay, as usual, I try to pack as many as possible in here. And look, every time I say this, that a banana box can lay down flat like that, that makes me happy in the pants. It means that we have good leg room. Oh yeah. And then also pretty good headroom, so you can pack all the way on the top there. Huh? I get the feeling that this is better than a Polestar 4, but the question is how much better? Okay, as usual, let's turn up the pitch and start counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27! Hallelujah! This is 3 more than the Polestar 4. See, we have conventional back glass here, and we can have more space, but also the height here. This is the same as the Xpeng G6 or the G9. It's like SUV. It's actually 1 more than Model Y. You don't need SUV. We can buy this sexy car and we have plenty of space. Huh? What about that? Yeah, okay. I think I'm done now. This is going to be the last banana box test from Norway. So yeah, next one will hopefully be in Thailand. I'm actually going to transport many of these banana boxes, around 20 of them, to Thailand. Anyway, I think that's gonna be it for now. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. As always, thank you for watching and talk to you later.